Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to claim Epic Games Discord Nitro. Some people are not receiving the email, so let's fix that and get the free Discord Nitro. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Scroll down until you see the free section and click on View More. Then find Discord Nitro and claim it. As you can see, I have already claimed mine. Now let's check the email. When you open Gmail, you might not see the Discord Nitro email. It won't appear in the inbox or even in the spam folder. As you can see, there are no emails from Epic Games. To find this, click on the Promotions tab. Here you will find the Discord Nitro email from Epic Games. Open it and click on Redeem Now. This will open the Discord website. Make sure you log into your Discord account using your browser. Then click Next, add your credit card and select Get Nitro Monthly. After this, you will receive one free month of Discord Nitro from Epic Games. You can cancel the subscription before the month ends, and you won't be charged any money. Thanks for watching.